In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started with your bookkeeping journey, knowing how to accurately record income is crucial. It helps keep your financial records up to date and ensures that your books reflect all money coming into your business. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we begin by navigating to the New button at the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your gateway to adding new transactions, and it's always important to start here to ensure you're recording everything correctly. Once you've clicked on New, you'll want to select Bank Deposit. This option allows you to record any income that is being deposited into your business accounts. After selecting Bank Deposit, you will need to decide and select which account you want this deposit to be recorded in. It's a good practice to ensure you are working with the correct account right from the start, as this can save you time and confusion later. Once you've selected the account, move on to the date. This should reflect when the deposit was actually made, ensuring your records align with your bank statements. Next, you'll see an option to specify who the money came from. You may choose to fill this out or leave it blank, depending on whether it's necessary for you to track the source of every income deposit. However, it's often helpful for tracking and reporting purposes to know where your money is coming from, especially if you need to issue customer statements. Then, it's time to categorize the income. The category helps you organize your income and reports and gives you a clearer picture of how different parts of your business are performing. Carefully select the appropriate category for your deposit, which will govern how you report it at the end of your accounting period. Additionally, there is a section where you can add a description of the income. While this step is optional, providing a brief description can be quite helpful for future reference. It gives you additional context about the transaction and can be a lifesaver when searching through past records. Next up, select the method of payment. This detail, whether it be cash, check, or electronic transfer, will aid in managing payment types and ensuring your cash flow statements are accurate. You'll also need to enter the amount of the deposit, which should match the amount that you see in your bank account for that transaction. Finally, after ensuring that all the necessary details of the income are correctly filled in, simply click Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully recorded income in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial information remains organized and precise, making your financial reporting and accounting tasks hassle-free down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for keeping your books in order.